Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Levante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Evan Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to show you how to use the Hypervolt to treat your ankle, your calf, and your shin. So, first of all, we need to turn on the Hypervolt. So there's the on button at the bottom, and then there's a button back there that powers it up. There's 3 different speeds. The third speed is the fastest, but what we're going to use is the first speed. Okay, so now what we're going to do is this. We're going to start off in the shin, and I like using the flat one. There's multiple heads on it. And now, if you notice, what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to bring my toes up, and then I'm going to point my toes down. So I'm actually creating a little bit of a stretch as I'm using the Hypervolt. This is a little bit more of a myofascial release, and I'm going to turn the toe in just a little bit more. So those of you that maybe have an ankle sprain, or you have chronic calf tightness, or you have shin splints, this would be a really good strategy to use. And then I'm just going to come a little bit more on the outside, and if you notice, I'm working my way back behind my calf. Now from here, I don't know if you can see that from the angle, I'm going to bend my ankle a little bit more, and I'm going to come in and out, applying a soft tissue myofascial release with mobilization to get the ankle to move better, to relax the calf a little bit more. And then I'm going to go to the inside as well. Same concept now. Now this would be great for any kind of plantar fasciitis as well, Achilles tendonitis issues. Good. And we're flushing out the metabolic waste. So you can't feel what I'm doing, but what I'm applying is more pressure at the bottom, and I'm lightening the pressure on the way down. So very light pressure here, and then a little bit more pressure when I'm coming back up, because I'm trying to flush out the metabolic waste, flushing out all the lymphatics back up towards the lymph drainage systems in the body. Good. So if you want to learn more about the tools and techniques that we use at Kinetic Rehab and Spine, do me a favor, like and subscribe so you can learn more in our future videos. Have a great day. Sempre Levante.